Say hello to my little friend. This is what you need, guys. You need this sauce if you can't get Holy Basil in the UK. It is the closest thing you're gonna get to the real thing. Let's go. So welcome back, guys, to the channel. This is the hack that I was telling you about the kapow kai dao. It's so good. This stuff here, I come across this about 7 years ago in B&M, and they were selling it for 10p a pack. Unfortunately, you can't get it that cheap anymore. But this stuff is like the closest thing you're going to get if you can't get Holy Basil, fresh Holy Basil. And you know what, I've always got it in the cupboard because I love this food so much. I just need it in my life constantly. So obviously the ingredients are completely stripped down now. With all I'm going to do is put a chilli and garlic minced into my oil to flavour the oil. I'm using chicken breast this week instead of chicken thighs. It's just as nice, just as good. And like I say, we've got some Holy Basil sauce. I'm not going to bother showing you how to deep fry the egg and whatnot, because you've already seen that. So I'm just going to keep this short and sweet, guys, and show you the finished final result. It's fantastic. Okie dokie, see you soon. So what we're going to do is we're just going to prep his veg. We're going to chop his trimmed beans up again. You can do these as big as you want, but I like to do this size. What we're also going to say to you is this sauce, you can also pick it up on eBay and Amazon. Have seen it. It's about £1.25 a packet, but many Chinese and Thai supermarkets do sell this. That's where I got this from a Chinese supermarket. So my chilli, I'm just going to mince it up, this, guys. We're not going to use the mortar and pestle this time. Just going to give this a good mince up, keep it into decent sized pieces. Just give the garlic a bit of a mince. I do like the big chunky garlic. So yeah, it's going to be a much faster recipe, much easier to do, and literally you can have this meal in 10-15 minutes preparation and cooking. So yeah, that's it for his veg. Right, now for the chicken. Now the chicken breast is actually a lot easier to chop up than the thighs. The thighs are a bit tougher. What I tend to do is, if there's any sinew, well, I'll just have a quick look here, get that off, get rid of that. And what I'll just do is give it a slice. This is so much easier to mince up than thighs. It's just so much easier to cut. So there we go. Because we want it traditional again, like a ground chicken, just like you get it from the street vendors in town. So, I tend to use one chicken breast for 2 people, but you can add more if you want. It literally takes nowhere near as long. That'll do. Right, so this is super quick as this. We're going to put us a bit of oil in. That's quite hot already, is that pan. And then straight away I'm going to get in my garlic and my chilli. I'll just get that out. Get that oil nicely heated. I'm going to just stir fry that for a minute. And then once we start to see it going slightly brown, the garlic, I'm going to put my chicken and my green beans in, because I like my green beans cooked quite well. So yeah, the little pieces are just starting to get a bit brown on them. So in we go. I've not got the heat up super high. I'm going to bring this up slowly, temperature, because I didn't want to get the wok too hot to burn my garlic when I put it in. I think if you manage to get hold of the sauce, here it is again, keep on plugging it, you will be very impressed. These are a few other ones, like Lobo did one, and I did get another one from somewhere, I don't know where that is though, but out of all the different sauces I did find this one was the most authentic, best taste, like fresh in Thailand. I found the Lobo one, which I'll try and get a picture of that and put it in, I'll put it in the video somewhere. That wasn't as spicy. I found another one actually. This one's probably the second best. That's this one. I found that in the Chinese supermarket. So that's the second best one. If you can get that, that's a good one as well. Yeah, I've not got the Lobo one, but I'll stick a picture on it in the video. And then we're going to get the sauce in. Oh wow, that is super spicy. When we get all that nicely mixed in. And that will do, guys, that is done. Pad krapao. Obviously you want to serve this with some jasmine rice and a fried egg on the side, and I think you will be very, very happy. It is the closest thing you're going to get than getting fresh. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe.